What's up guys, we are here in Bangkok. We got this sleep room. It's about $30 for 3 hours, just so we can relax. See if you see your own.
Hello.
What's up?
What's up?
It's only 12 and we don't fly out till 8:30 p.m. Another 8 hours to kill.
We got a nap room.
How are you liking the room?
It's cold.
It's so cold.
It's cold too, but
Yes. It's been an extremely tedious and long day. We should be in Phuket already, but instead United Airlines screwed us up with our flights and whatnot.
it's cool. Like just you can take a nap, you can shower, and just like get relaxed before your flight. Yeah, it's perfect.
We're not getting to Phuket till 10 p.m. practically. Pretty clean. There's even a shower. I don't know if that's clean, but yeah. Anyways, $30 to just be able to lay down for 3 hours. I'll take it.
There's people who go here who have a long
All
layover
layover.
or stopover. At least they have an idea that this is an option.
I see.
For the price.
And not too bad on the price. Yeah, it's crazy.
So we're gonna kill time here and then go to the lounge. That's part of our new flight that we booked. Okay. Good night.
Good night.
We have a whole week in Thailand. I think 4 days, well now 3 days in Phuket and 4 days in Bangkok. Let's go. Hey, good morning everyone. We are here in Phuket, Thailand. Cheers to Thai tea.
Wow, it tastes like those like jellies.
Good.
Better than the drink you got at the airport.
I make Thai tea at home, so I'm a big critic. Let's see. Oh, that's good. How are you liking your time here?
For Bangkok.
Loving it so far. Breakfast is good. There's a lot of variety. Too much variety. So we had to try a little bit of everything. So highlight for this morning as far as the food, we had these noodles you can pick. Basically, you pick the dry noodles or the soft noodles, and you put the curry on top. And you can choose between the curry with chicken and the curry with beef. I've tried the chicken one. It was really good. So yeah, but I like it so far. We're gonna go on our tour soon. We're supposed to be heading out around 9 a.m. this morning. So that's next.
Well, we were supposed to be here yesterday at 9 a.m., but we ended up getting here at like 11 p.m. Yeah, long story short, we got screwed by United Airlines, but we're here now. We'll make the best of it, and we're looking forward to today's city tour. Oh, by the way, we're staying here at 4 Points by Sheraton, and it's right next to the Patong Beach or Patong area. And so very, very nice. I'm excited to show you guys more of the area. Let's go!
Sawadika. Is meaning hello in Thailand. Ladies say Sawadika. Men say Sawadikrap.
Sawadika.
Sawadikrap for men.
Sawadikrap
for ladies. You're not sure. You're man or woman. You can say Sawadiha.
the rule when you say hi to someone?
Oh yeah, so for women we say ka, and then for guys like you, crap.
And you have to go like this.
Yeah, put your hands together. Sawadika.
Sawadika.
And then for
Got done visiting our first temple, but it was very nice. There were 3 monks there that everyone was praying to. How do you like the temple, Krishna?
It's good. It's hot.
Meaning water. If you want to go toilet, we say Hong Nam. Hong Nam is meaning toilet.
And thank you is
ขอบคุณค่ะ
ขอบคุณค่ะ
Christoph, do you think the Philippines is hotter or Thailand?
Philippines.
Philippines is hotter? We were out there for only like 30 minutes and I feel exhausted already. And how many stops do we have left?
I think like 2 or 3. So our problem in Japan was the walking, so much walking. Now our problem here is
So how was the first stop? How are you liking the city tour so far?
Very hot, but the temples are really beautiful. The scenery, so nice. Ooh, what is that? It's a steamer.
The heat kind of just slaps you in the face as soon as you get out of the bus. It's just like BAM!
It's a big slap. Looks like we're at the cashew factory.
Oh, it is.
Hey, did you see the big nut over there?
There's a big nut over there. They're opening up the nuts over there if you wanted to see it.
What part of the factory is this?
This is where they make the cashew nut. So you can see the guy to my right. He's working on the cashew one by one. Tom yum. Thank you. Wait.
That's okay. It's good. I like that.
What was that, babe?
Tom yum flavored cashew.
This is where they make the cashews, and they're giving samples out. It's kind of like Costco in here, and then it's just, you just pick and choose and buy what you like.
We had a sample of the tom yum cashew, and like we were saying, is like the consistency of it is crunchy, and it's not like normal ones that you get like back in like the planters.
Is it bussin'?
Yes, it's blessing.
You know who's these?
Who's
These nuts.
Oh my gosh, you got us.
I call you pretty, but it never goes as planned. You think it's funny, I'm just trying to be a man. I wanna show you in the best way that I can that I'm so in love with you.
We are heading over to the Old Town Phuket, and then you can get like lots of like the cheaper shopping, and then they're gonna have lots of the drinks and everything.
Only eat durian, because if you drink durian, it will make you hot. It's already hot.
If you don't like tea, like Thai tea, drink the Thai coffee because it's stronger than tea. Because they go all the way to the north to get the coffee, and then I don't know how that makes it strong, but it's strong.
You want something to cool you down, then drink mango steam shake.
Me different, wish I could get your eyes on my prescription. Cause baby all it takes is the same vision for me to get your heartbeat going.
They're showing us how they cook the traditional Thai dishes.
First oil, that's for cooking oil.
I wish you could smell this, guys. It smells so freaking good. What is that?
Inside is mung bean. This cucina rice with food color.
Wow, very nice. Thank you.
To get the blessing, totals represent longevity, happiness, blessing.
Yeah.
Now we are outside, about to eat those same noodles.
Look how thick the noodles are. Wow.
So the On Hotel was the very first hotel here in Phuket. We got to see it. A lot of history. Maybe you can stay there on your stay in Phuket. What did you get, Mom?
My favorite, coconut. But it's not cold.
How much is it?
50.
50 $1.
50 baht.
We just got back to the bus. It was cool to see the old village of Phuket.
They said there's only 2 seasons here. Hot and hotter.
Off to the next stop. Let's go.
We are having lunch at this hotel. I'm not sure what it's called, but it's beautiful. Let's go see what's for lunch.
Wanna know how good he makes me feel.
Well, they fed us earlier, not too long ago. And now we are having a buffet. And we're not even hungry. No diet when on vacation.
The best day ever and it's exhausting.
How's your coffee?
It's a pretty good latte. I like it.
We just got finished with lunch. How are you feeling?
I'm sleepy. Pretty sleepy. It was good though. It was good.
Remember to pace yourself. That completes our city tour, guys. Oh my gosh, that was pretty fun.
It was fun.
Night here at the lobby of the hotel, we're drinking some cocktails, and we had some of the food stalls here close by at Putang Beach. And yeah, the food was delicious. I really enjoyed like the little appetizers that they had. So definitely check it out. And then there's also a street where it's very, very busy for party goers. So check that out too. We're gonna end the night here. See you guys tomorrow. All right, good night to everybody.